So I wanted to show you what our turbo pressure nozzle is all about and our detergent bottle right here. I have my favorite car solution in here. So we're gonna spray down the car here, lather it all up, then we're gonna go ahead and put a tip on and rinse it all off. But it's this easy to do, so watch. The unit is on, but because of our total stop system, it's off until I press this button. So watch, here we go. Watch how powerful this is. It's easy, it's fast, it's efficient. Look at the cleaning power that I got. Look at all the suds. So you can do the roof, you can get in the mirrors, you can get the road grime off, and you can even get down in here and really get that stubborn brake dust and everything else that cakes in there. Want to go up into the wheel wells? You can do that too. That 2000 PSI pressure really does the job, and you can see how well it really foams everything up there. Now, it's not just for washing the car. There's so many other things you can do with this. Maybe you have some ATVs or stuff like that and you ride them around and they get all dirty. Well, you don't want to be putting that in the garage the way it is. So all you simply do is take the Untitled pressure washer, put some of your cleaning solution in there. Look how powerful that is. That turbo nozzle, look at that blowing that dirt off. Gets right in there, cleans everything up, fast, easy, and efficient. So the other great thing is you can put your favorite window cleaning solution in here. We got some in here, and let me show you how well this works on the windows. So we're gonna start off down here, suds these guys up. You can see that turbo nozzle really does a job. But you say, what about the second story? I don't want to have to climb on a ladder to get there. Watch how easy this is. Then you can go right over and clean your kids' toys, because you know what? You can put your favorite disinfectant spray in here as well. So think about cleaning off all those things where all the kids are playing on. Put your solution in here, press the button, and go ahead and clean everything. Hose it down real good. That turbo nozzle really does a job. Look at that. Fast, easy, efficient. Anybody can use this. It's that easy with the Sunjoe. Now that we've done sudsing everything up and got a good rinse on there, everything's fully covered, all we're going to simply do is take our turbo nozzle off. So all you have to do is press this guy in, twist, this comes out. It's got its own little compartment that it stores into. Now we're going to go ahead and put our pressure wand on there. So that fast you can switch between the two. Now we're going to rinse everything off to give it a good thorough cleaning. Watch this. It's that easy.